Did you know that attracting wealth and abundance could be as simple as tuning into the right frequency? You heard that right, like a radio. But instead of listening to your favorite song, you're tuning into the energy of prosperity, of opportunity, and success. In today's video, we're diving into the wealth frequency, the concept that can turn your mind into a magnet for money and success. And don't worry, I'll walk you through 3 clear steps so you can get started today. So, have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money and success effortlessly while others struggle? The answer lies in their frequency. Wealth isn't just about the physical. There's a mindset, an energy, and even a scientific foundation to it. And today, we're breaking it all down. All right, let's get into step 1, aligning your mindset for wealth. What do I mean by mindset? Imagine that every thought, belief, and emotion you hold acts as a signal to the universe. If your thoughts are constantly about scarcity, I don't have enough, or I'll never get that opportunity, you're tuning into a frequency of lack. You're unknowingly blocking wealth from coming to you. So to start tuning into the wealth frequency, you've got to change those thoughts. The simplest way to shift this mindset is with empowering affirmations. For example, start saying things like, I am worthy of abundance. Money flows to me effortlessly, and I attract success in all forms. These might sound basic, but by consistently affirming them, you're actually reprogramming your subconscious. The more your brain hears it, the more it believes it, and over time, you'll notice changes in your opportunities and actions. Now on to step 2, raising your vibrational energy. If mindset is the foundation, then your vibration is the fuel. Every one of us has an energy field that we emit. And when we're feeling positive, joyful, and grateful, that energy radiates outward. You're actually sending out waves that attract similar frequencies back to you. Think of it like a magnet pulling in more of what matches its own energy. So how do you raise your vibration? One powerful tool is gratitude. Every morning, make it a practice to write down at least 3 things you're grateful for. And get specific, whether it's your morning coffee, a compliment you received, or a goal you achieved. By feeling grateful, you're naturally raising your vibration, and you're essentially signaling to the universe that you're ready for even more things to be grateful for. Another way is through joy. Take time each day to do something that genuinely makes you happy, whether it's dancing, painting, exercising, or spending time in nature. These moments of joy amplify your frequency, bringing you closer to the abundance you seek. Finally, step 3, taking inspired action. Now, this is the step that often gets overlooked because it's easy to think that just shifting your mindset and raising your vibration is enough. But to truly tune in to the wealth frequency, you have to act on the inspiration that comes your way. What does inspired action look like? It's that urge or intuition you get, nudging you towards something that might seem random but feels exciting or intriguing. Let's say you've been working on shifting your mindset for wealth, and one day you get the idea to start a new project, reach out to someone, or even explore a new hobby. Don't ignore these nudges. Acting on them creates momentum and opens doors you might not have seen otherwise. Think of inspired action as the universe's way of saying, here's your next step. It's often subtle, but when you act on it, it's powerful. The universe loves speed, so when you feel that intuitive nudge, take action. Even small actions can lead to big results. Now, before we finish, I have something that can help you apply these steps more easily. It's called the Manifest app, a fantastic tool that's like having a manifestation coach right in your pocket. With the Manifest app, you can set clear goals, visualize your success, track your progress, and maintain your affirmations and gratitude practice. It's a fantastic way to keep yourself aligned with your wealth frequency daily. If you're serious about tuning into the wealth frequency, download the Manifest app now. It's available on iOS and Android. Check out the link in the description to get started today. So there you have it, 3 powerful steps to tune into the wealth frequency. Shift your mindset, raise your vibrational energy, and take inspired action. Remember, tuning into this frequency is a journey, and consistency is key. Keep practicing, and you'll start noticing opportunities aligning with your goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on manifesting wealth, success, and self-improvement. Share this with someone who's ready to level up their mindset, and comment below if you're excited to tune into your wealth frequency. Until next time, keep your vibrations high and keep manifesting your dream life.